So, hi. Ikaw na. Ikaw
Hi,
mag-intro.
hi, Mana Miga.
Oh.
How you call it again?
You're going to season the meat.
We're going to season the meat,
The bukog.
the bukog.
Mm.
That's why I put this.
Yeah, first you put
What?
asin.
This asin?
Yeah, this one, that one is asin.
This one too?
Yeah, just wipe one by one.
What's that doing?
No, just like that, Corty. Okay, flip the meat. Flip it. Okay. Like that. Then next, you put a little bit kana. That one. Okay. We just make like that. Then flip it. Flip it. Okay. Then now mash it. Mash it. Mash. Like that.
Massage it?
You massage, yeah. Massage it. Okay. Now, I will have your
What about the blue?
okay, wipe your hands there. Okay. And then put
What
the
about wash my hands?
huh?
Wash my hands.
Okay, wala ka arte nimo oy. Okay, then padara po. Okay. Now, put the garlic. Put the garlic.
This garlic?
No, this one, the powder. Do not make like that. Just spread. You know, like that. Oh, flip the
I'm
one.
going to massage it.
Yeah, massage. Later na, i-massage. Okay, then next, that one. Okay. Okay, massage it now. Okay, next.
I smell like barbecue.
Yeah.
I'm not. Got it.
Okay, next.
What about the
Montreal.
onions?
No, later na inig ko lang to butang sa kuan. Okay.
What about this one?
Just one by one, Corty. Just mash all together, Corty, the whole. I-mash.
How?
Mash lang, i-massage. Massage like that. Okay. Flip the kuan. Okay. Okay. Massage. Okay. Okay. Now you can put it here. Okay, next. Next. No, do not wash your hands. You're not done yet. It's not kuan, Kurti. Okay, this one. Okay, flip the okay. Ako na yung magkuan ha. Okay, massage. Okay, flip the meat. Then massage.
It's so cold.
Okay. Then massage. Okay, flip it. Okay, flip. Okay, now let's put garlic. Okay, massage. Okay, next. Mura mo ng diri. Okay. Massage. Okay. Now, okay. Massage. Okay, flip. Kanang sa gilid pod. Ikuan pod para mo lami siya.
Let me massage it.
Mhm.
Oh, that's enough!
Okay.
This one.
I-massage. Mana na. I-massage.
Quack.
Okay, flip. Nya massage. I-apil iko ni oh. I-apil ni ani ang lamas. Iko ana. Na. Ana. Okay. So put it there. And then
Do you
Yeah.
make it fall?
okay. Now
Put the onions?
no, yeah, put the onions there. Put the onions.
One pedito.
Okay, now squeeze ang kwan.
No, I'm not done.
Squeeze the lemon. Scott, kuha ra gud og kanang kwan. Toyo. Gamay. Na di siya kapiog, oy. Scott. Di siya kapiog.
Come on.
The lemon.
Here. Okay.
Ah,
Butang siya lay pamasadya na. Leave it the lemon here. Ano na. So leave the one. Okay. Butang ganang kuan. Toyo. Okay. Okay. Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Okay. Enough. Enough na. Okay. Okay, Courtney, now you massage it.
Karma.
You're not you're kuan, you're not kanang sana 50% playing. Oh, iposikat.
Yo.
Di ba, Courtney? 1% serious.
You playing with?
yeah.
Boy.
You enjoy? You want to be a cook? You want to be a chef? Chef? Huh? What do you think? Giluod man siya.
Who?
You.
No.
Oh, wala ka giluod?
No.
Then why you want to wash your hand when you in the middle of kuan seasoning the kuan? You're not done yet.
Okay. I don't want my hands stinky.
That's why. Okay, now massage it with the sauce with the okay. And then ato na siya takuban para ugma ato na siya isul sa ref. Okay. Okay na? Nakuha na smooth na tanan? Smooth? Okay. Now you can wash your hands. Say bye.
Bye.
What is your experience? This is his first time mga amiga na nagkuhan siya. Masay ko mo, what can you say? Huh? What can you say?
How will I rate it?
Huh?
How I rate it?
Yeah.
I rate it a 9.
You rated 9?
Yeah.
Because you enjoy it? Okay. Wash your hands and sabon.